Are you up? Hey. So I thought it's been a minute. Sorry about that. Life got busy, but I wanted to share what's in my bag. And lately I've been getting really into non-designer bags. And I had shown you in my last bag video that I was into this bag called Verified NYC. Well, that's still a great work bag. I wanted to show you what's in my like everyday bag. And I've gone in kind of like a blackout mode, like black on black on black, very gothic. And I want to show you that. And then I have a question for you later in this video. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to ask you a question. I need to know your answer. So I need to know in the comments your answer to this question. So comment when you hear the question. This is my current bag that I've been carrying around. It is a pebbled leather. It's all like full thick leather. It's so beautiful. It's so smooshy. It's always sold out. You can never find this thing in stock, and it's only sold in one place. If that's your vibe, yeah, I'm a sucker for that. And yeah, I fell for it and I'm so glad I did because that was such a good buy. This is the h.pai bag. I'm not even sure what model it is, but it's like a bucket bag. And I got mine personalized with mama on it. I love it. I love it so much. It holds literally everything. And I've put this, I'm going to find some books for you. You know what, Sarah J. Maas, you are going Queen of Shadows, Tower of Dawn, how many, Air of Fire. I'm going to put you on here like a little microphone stand. Is that good? Can you hear me okay? I think that's good. Let me know if you can't hear me very well, but yeah, I think you can. So this is by h.pai, h.pai. I'll leave it linked down below, but I'm not an affiliate or anything. It's just so that you can check them out. I think they're an Asian brand. I'm not 100% sure. I know that this comes from overseas, so it's not an American company by any means, but I just have my keys pouch on the end here because I got tired. I always get tired in any bag, let alone a bucket bag, of trying to find this when I'm trying to get into my office at work. But let's go ahead and dump right in. Let's hope we're not dumping right in. I have my two phones, my work phone, which is this one, and my personal phone. I try to keep my work and personal life separate. This one is a write-off and this one is not. That's a write-off. Comment if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, the government, the write-off, I don't know. And then this little contraption is my grab and go, bug out, I gotta go run to the store and get some milk type of situation. This is a wallet I found on TikTok Shop. I'm not the hugest like TikTok shopper, but it's a good buy. I don't even know what's the name of this brand? It's not even branded anywhere, but it's Andy Shem. I have no idea. Yeah, I really don't know. I can't remember. But I have my new Texas driver's license. I just got it renewed. And for all you haters out there, see if I can show you this. Gray. My eyes are gray. So this is really great because it holds everything. It holds all of my IDs, my cards, my cash, and even change. And then it has a little D-ring on here. And on that, I put an AirTag, the new AirTag 2.0. And then also I bought from the same company, I bought this little like chapstick holder, and I have my Burt's Bees pomegranate on there. And then also, this is from Amazon actually, and this is just like a leather key fob holder, and I have my key fob in there. And then obviously you saw like the rest of my keys and stuff are just kind of hanging on the side here, but these I don't really need to take out for any particular reason, like at any moment in time, so I just leave it all as one cluster. And I'm gonna move this slightly so that you guys can hear me a little better. There we go. All right, what else is in the bag? My pharmacy. This is my mini pharmacy. This is from my P9, and this is a pouch in pink from Louis Vuitton. I have extra cash in here. I have a Transderm scope patch. I have Dramamine. If you know, you know, us motion sickness girlies. I have an emergency mint, a Zofran, a hair tie. I have various cotton buds and a cotton, what do you call it? A cotton pad. And I have another Zofran in here just in case. What else? Oh, I have an emergency nail file. Anytime I get like those little like mini emergency things, or like say something on like an amenity kit from an airline or something, I'll find the little things I'm like, ooh, that would be good as like a daily mini emergency kit type thing. And then I save it and I put it in my own little pouch. I have the hand sanitizer from Touchland. I'm not gonna lie to you. Touchland is probably my least favorite hand sanitizer brand, but they're so dang cute and they're so compact and they never leak. I think it feels really ineffective because the spray, I'm a nut about sprays. I think owning a brand where I actually make and like manufacture and sell room sprays, the spray is very important to me. It cannot be too fine. This is too fine, and more fine is not always better. Just so you know, you actually want to get product on your hand. And so there's a certain amount of what I call lift and drop. And with a room spray, for example, I had to design it and find the right spray nozzle that would simultaneously have enough lift that would be fine enough that it would scent the air, but not so fine that it wouldn't fall onto the fabrics that you want to spray, right? So like you might want to use it as a pillow spray or a linen spray or spray it on your couches and things like that, almost like a Febreze, but you also want it to be able to go into the air as well. This one just goes straight into the air, and I feel like I have to go like this and hit it a million times in order to get on my hand. I hate that, but I gotta admit, the Hello Kitty is cute. I was a sucker for the Hello Kitty. I have this. This was an online buy from the Hermes website. Actually, two of them. Hold on. I bought two at the same time. Absolutely did not need either of them, but they were selling the Bastia coin purse online. They were in stock. They were available on the Hermes website in this, what is this color? Rose pink or pea or ballerina pink. I'm not sure. And then this is in a chevre leather. And then this is the box leather, which I've never seen a Bastia in box. So I was like, yeah, I don't have anything in them. I have nothing in them. They're just living in my purse until I can find, actually, no, that's a lie. I put my wired headphones in here because EMF. So I have my wired headphones in the pink one. The box one, I had to train for a while to stay closed because the leather is so fresh. It just came like this. So I ended up having it like something heavy sit on it for a while to train it. And now I just haven't put anything in it yet. Maybe I'll put my pennies, is like, now that they're not manufacturing them anymore. This is a pouch, a Louis Vuitton pouch from, I think, a Neverfull. And in here, it's sort of like another mini emergency thing, but I just have other doodads in here. This is my favorite box cutter. It's called Slice. And I use these now exclusively. I used to use like legit box cutters from like Uline. This is like the greatest thing ever. If you open packages every day, like I do, it's awesome. It's ceramic, so it doesn't like dull and get gross and gunky like a metal box cutter would, and it's a lot safer and shorter. Anyway, I like it. And these are my loop headphones. I have two. This is the first pair I ever bought. This is the second pair, which of course, if you know, this is my green. This is my green. And anybody asks me what it is, I'm like, emerald forest green. It's a very particular type of green. These are the loops 3-way or something. You can set them to different levels. And then I also have more emergency cash in here. Cash girly. In here, this is like the base of it. I don't know, it just keeps flopping around. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that in there, but what else we have? Today's Lippy, which is just the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat pencil in Pink Venus. I think it's the most flattering color on me, like a warm pink. I also have this one. This is the Violette Lip Nectar Hydrating Lip Stain, and I think the color is Moab. I think Moab. I don't have that on though. Trace Mineral Drops, because all water except Evian tastes disgusting to me unless I found this actually makes water palatable for me. It must be the minerals, but Trace Minerals, this is on Amazon. I will link this down below. Game changer. I'm not saying you should still drink purified water. You should never drink purified water, especially out of plastic bottles like the cheap Nestle stuff. But if you drink spring water, if you're going to drink out of a water bottle that you're buying from the grocery store, drink spring water. Artesian spring water is the best. But if you're in a pinch or you're drinking like restaurant tap water, Trace Minerals. So good. It makes it so much better. This is not even just like for health reasons. Obviously, like I need a lot of minerals and salt and magnesium, but I do it for the taste. Otherwise, I just won't drink it. I just won't drink it. I'm just that girl. More pens. This is one of my favorite pens right now. That's like just in terms of a disposable one. It's by a brand called Sikau. I was given to this by my banker because we talk pens all the time. And he was like, you got to try this one. And he was right. It's so good. I have no idea where to buy this. I'll be devastated when it runs out. I'll probably have to try and find it online on Amazon. The Uniball Signo Micro 207. I use this to sign my checks because if you know, you know. And I have in here a gift certificate to a spa near me that my mom gave me for my birthday last year and I still have not used. And last but not least, I have my pocket planner. My leg is falling asleep. Gotta switch it up. Okay, my leg is falling asleep. This is my pocket planner. It's a traveler's notebook in the passport size. And I have a Fisher Space Pen because if you've been following me for any length of time, you know how I feel about Fisher Space Pens. I'm a pen girly. I like pen, okay? I like fountain pens, but I'm also not a pen snob. I like a good cheap pen as well. As long as it writes well, I'm good. This is in black in the passport size. And in here, you're gonna die. Look at that. I have a mini e-reader that is magnetically attached here. And this is what we're currently reading. And then I have, again, emergency cash because I'm a nut, but also with a lucky $2 bill. I have a holder with nothing in it. And then I have just a blank note sheet to jot down my ideas. Like I'm working on landing pages and getting our website developed and revamped stamp. And then there's some dot grid in here. Just the 2 notebooks, and then the little a credit card holder down in here. I have an Earnest by Louise Carmen. It was great. I use it as my wallet for about a year, but when I moved into the TikTok wallet, I still wanted to have my notebooks with me. So I made this, and this is genius because now I don't have to take my Kindle with me. You notice there's no Kindle. This was the last thing in my bag. I do want to get an all black Fisher Space pen to really complete the look, but here's the question that I was going to pose to you. And now that you're paying attention, I want you to answer it. And also follow, by the way, if you haven't already. You should definitely subscribe to the channel. No, I just lied. There was a hidden item, but let me tell you the question. This is Dior Forever lipstick. Hands down the best lipstick you're ever gonna buy. It's like a liquid lipstick in that it does not budge all day, but it's a lipstick. The question I have for you is, do you wanna see my current journal and planner ecosystem? Because I'm a Louise Carmen and Traveler's Notebook kind of girly, and I like to customize them. I've made my own Traveler's Notebook covers, but there's just one system that I've started for 2026 that I think is working really well for me. So let me know if you'd like to see my planner ecosystem. That's it. That's everything that is in my bag, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will link what I can down below. That's not what this video is about, but if you're like nosy, if you like being nosy like I do, I like to make the videos that I like to watch. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.